All right, we're going to take a look at chords to use in your Mixolydian mode. So we already shot a video of your 3-octave scale Mixolydian mode. Now we're going to look at some chords that you can use in that. And so we're going to start with our D chord. Now remember, we know this is C. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be calling the chords as they are for sake of argument, okay? So here we go. So this is really cool because it's a heavy kind of tuning, but you're using a major mode, so it's pretty fun. So we're starting with our D major chord, okay? And then, so our next chord that we're going to climb up the neck. Now the next chord we're going to use is an E minor. So it's like a D minor, but you're just sliding it up and 2 frets to here, okay? And so we got a D, major shape, E minor shape, okay? Then we're gonna slide that up 2 frets and get our next shape, which is a F sharp. Okay, and then we're gonna go up 1 fret to our G chord, which is a major shape. Then we're gonna slide it up 2 frets to the next major shape, which is A. And then we're gonna go to the next shape, which is a B minor. Okay, B minor shape here. Then we're going to play a major shape again, a C chord, and then we're going to slide that chord up to a D. Okay, I'm going to do it slow. So here's the first chord, D. Second chord is a minor shape, E minor, F sharp minor, and then we got a G chord, major shape, and then an A chord, major shape, a B minor chord, a C chord, and a D chord. Okay, so you can utilize stuff like you go. So it's a great songwriting tool. Now, so what we did was we got. So you're able to utilize those for songwriting. I just did a D chord like down here and I threw in a D4. Okay, so that's how I did that. And then, now once you're in this D, one of my favorite chords to use in a Mixolydian mode, because when you're in a major mode, instead of using a major 7, we're now using a dominant 7, which opens up a C2 chord for us. And that's done by, you leave this finger here, like a D chord. See, it's the D, so you leave your 3rd finger there, and you just switch these over to get like the bottom end of a C chord. Like that. And then another chord I like to use, I'll throw in a B note and just do this. So I'll just switch these 2 fingers like this. Like that. Okay, so what? See? Okay, and just to show you on those power chords, we'll run those over real quickly. And those are done by playing the bottom 3 strings, 6, 5, and 4, open. There's your first chord, and you go to 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 10th fret, 12th fret to complete the scale. So watch. There it is. So the chords you can use in your D Mixolydian mode. Great songwriting tools. Have a great day. Subscribe.